Ever wondered how cybersecurity professionals protect sensitive information? They use a strategy known as the CIA-Triad. Today, we unravel the mystery behind this essential cybersecurity concept. Imagine a secret, something you share only with a trusted friend. Confidentiality in cybersecurity works on a similar principle. It's about keeping sensitive information under wraps, accessible only to those who are authorized. Think of it as the lock and key on a treasure chest, where the treasure is your data and the key is only with those who are allowed to access it. Encryption and strong user authentication are some of the ways this is achieved. Moving on to integrity. Just as it's important to keep our secrets safe, it's equally crucial to ensure they remain unaltered. Integrity in cybersecurity refers to maintaining the accuracy and completeness of data. It ensures that our information remains true to its original form, free from tampering or unauthorized modifications. Think of it as a seal on a document that verifies its authenticity. Techniques like checksum and hashing are used to ensure data integrity. And finally, availability. What good is a treasure if we can't access it when needed? In cybersecurity, availability ensures that data and resources are accessible to authorized users whenever they need it. It's about making sure that the treasure chest can be opened smoothly when the key is turned. This is achieved through maintaining and regularly updating systems, ensuring network connectivity, and implementing disaster recovery plans. In summary, the CIA-Triad is a vital strategy in cybersecurity that focuses on confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Balancing these three principles is like balancing on a tightrope. Too much emphasis on one can create vulnerabilities in the other areas. It's not just about having the right tools, but knowing how to use them effectively under the guidance of these principles. So remember, keep your secrets safe, ensure they remain unaltered, and make sure they are available when needed. That's the essence of the CIA-Triad. Stay vigilant, stay safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment where you are watching from.